Hi everyone, here we've got a GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system. On the second position we've got languages and input, so simply tap on it and tap on languages. As you can see here we've got the list of previously added and applied languages. We've got English and French right now. So in order to add new language, just tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So we've got plenty of options to choose from. All you have to do is simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, German. Just tap on it. And as you can see here, we can also choose the region. So let me pick this one, for example. Just tap on it. And as you can see, our newly chosen language immediately appears on the list, but the English language is still a main language. So in order to actually change it, just tap on the one you'd like to use and hold it, and then drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu is in the chosen language. So remember about that. It is very important to set the language you want to use as a first language on the list. So let me show it to you again. Let me tap on English, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, from now on, the English is a main language. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the language in your GIGASET. But let me show you also how to remove them from the list, because for some reason you do not need to have 3 or 4 different languages. So let's tap on this 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and simply tap on remove. Right now we can mark the languages we want to delete. So let me mark 2 of them and tap on the trash bin icon. Now let's confirm it with tapping on OK. And as you can see, we are left only with English. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.